Hey everyone! Managing receipts in QuickBooks Online is the best way to stay audit-ready without the paper clutter. Here is your streamlined script for the 2026 workflow. Step 1. Capture the receipt. Mobile app. The fastest way to get data into the system is while you're on the go. Open the QuickBooks Online mobile app and tap the menu icon. Select Receipt Snap, then tap the camera icon. Position your receipt on a flat, well-lit surface, snap the photo, and select Use this photo. QuickBooks uses AI to automatically extract the vendor, date, and total amount. Step 2. Upload from desktop or email. If you receive digital invoices or have a stack of receipts at your desk, use the dashboard or a custom email. Go to Transactions, Receipts, and drag and drop your files, PDF or JPEG, directly into the window. Set up a custom email, like your name at qbdocs.com, in the receipt settings. Simply forward your digital receipts to this address and they'll appear in your account automatically. Step 3. Review and categorize. Once uploaded, the receipts sit in a holding area until you approve them. In the Receipts tab, look at the For Review list. Click on a receipt to verify the extracted data, assign it to the correct expense account, like office supplies or travel, and ensure the payment account, which bank or card was used, is correct. Click Save and Next, then Create Expense to officially add it to your books. Step 4. Match to existing transactions. If QuickBooks sees a matching bank transaction, it will show a Matched Found label. Simply click Match. This attaches the digital image of the receipt to the existing bank entry, giving you a perfect audit trail without creating a duplicate. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.